Good morning friends, this is Jagdale. You are watching my channel Take STO. Welcome to my channel. Now this is IFB washing machine Elena model. It is not draining water, waste water. Water is getting accumulated inside, which I am draining it now manually. Now I have drained all water from inside. Now let us see if the filter here is clogged or not. You can see the condition of filter here. It is blocked completely. So I'll clean it now. Now it is totally clean. I have cleaned it thoroughly. Let's fix it and see how it can work it. This is the inside of filter. It is inside also. If you can see, there is a lot of dirt which needs to be cleaned. So we'll clean inside filter also. Now I am going to refix this filter. For fixing it, there is a slot you have to see first, and then only you can fix it likewise. This is back side of the machine. This is inlet pipe and this is outlet pipe. Now I am going to open this outlet pipe and see if it is clogged anywhere. This is outlet pipe I have opened now. If you see inside, there is no clogging. This side, if you see, this pipe is also not clogged anywhere. This is the pump. Everything seems to be okay. Now I will run the machine and see. Friends, now I have attached both the pipes now, alright, and I will fix this machine on the quick wash and let us see how it works. So I'll put it in on the quick wash. So friends, you have seen how now machine is running alright. There is no problem. Likewise, if you face any problem with your washing machine, clean the filter and do the repair yourself. Now you see machine has traveled from quick wash to rinse also, and it is working fine. So you need not to rush up to the technician. Do it yourself and save some money. Friends, thank you very much for watching this video. Do like, share, subscribe this channel. If you don't like, still leave a comment. Thank you. Thank you very much.